Hello friends, this is fingerprint attendance system project. Now when I provide the power supply, it will display fingerprint attendance system, then the date and time. Now this is my LCD section, then is my controller section which contain the Philips microcontroller, then the reset circuit. This section contains first of all 5 switches. One is for add, second is for delete all user along with the data, third is to delete data but the user won't be deleted, next is to send the data via USB, and last is for matching, means for the attendance. Now you know very well that there should be a database, so these two ICs are for database and it will store the data for 60 days. This is the timer IC which will update the timer on the LCD. Now this is the switching section which will switch between the fingerprint as well as the USB section. This is the MAC circuit. Now what will happen, first of all there is no database, so obviously I have to insert some users. So what I'll do is I'll press the add switch and place the finger. It will update user 1 successfully. Next what I'll do is I'll again press this add switch. I'll put my second finger. Now my second finger is user 2. Clear? Now if I want to take the attendance for today and I haven't take the attendance yet, that will be taken by this match switch. What I'll do is I'll connect this USB with the computer and the hardware. Obviously there should be one COM port. Now how to know the COM port? Go to my computer, properties, device manager, now in the ports it will display your Profilic USB COM port, that is COM number 3. You can change the COM number as well. Now you know the COM port. Now you will go to hyperterminal. Hyperterminal is in Windows XP. If not in 7, then you can download. It's easily available and at low cost and free of cost download. Now you have to provide your name here. Anyone name can be there. Then OK. Then COM3. And the baud rate, first of all restore defaults, and the baud rate should be set to 57600 because the system baud rate is this baud rate. Then OK. Then go to properties. This is the property. Click on settings, Sky setup, send, echo and append. Click it here, OK, and then OK. Now if you'll press this send switch like I am pressing it, and it will display sending data, please wait. And what you will see here is that 2 times I have pressed it, and what he has shown that there are 2 users, roll number 1 and roll number 2, and they are absent in the morning as well as in the evening. Now what I'll do is I'll place the attendance. Now this is my system, this is for match switch. I'll press the match switch, put the finger. Now the attendance is done for the morning. Now how you know that attendance is done? We'll again come back, press the send switch. Now what it's displaying that user 1 is present in the morning, absent in the evening, and user 2 hasn't placed the attendance. Now I'll again place the attendance. I press the switch, press this and testing finger, again attendance done, and again I'll check the attendance on the USB by sending. Now he's saying that user 1 entered at this time and exit at this time. Now if you want to update the timing again, like it's 12:20 and the time now is 12:20 again, I'll update the time first, wait for the time. Because I haven't taken the seconds, so second doesn't matter a lot, only the minutes matter. I'll wait that it will come to 12:21, and obviously the later time will get updated, like it's showing 12:20 now, and when I'll go back here it's 12:21. I'll again give the attendance of user 1. Error occurred, I'll have to again press the switch. Okay, attendance is done again. So what I'll do is I'll again go to my system, press send data, and the time is updated from 12:20 to 12:21. Now two switches are pending, that is these two switches, one is for delete user and one is for delete data. If I'll press this switch, it's displaying all data deleted successfully. Means if I again send the data, there is no data available because I have deleted the data. And second thing, if I delete this user switch, second switch, now all user deleted successfully, so I'll again receive the data, then it's displaying no user available in the database. This is all my project. Thank you.